My name is Olivia. I'm studying speech-language pathology here at Concordia University, and I'm hoping to one day work in the school systems as an SLP. I was a TA for my school special education program when I was in high school, and I really wanted to be a special education teacher and be involved in that population. And I kind of just fell in love with a speech-language pathologist and how they can help someone communicate and just make their life better. I decided to come to Concordia because I really wanted great clinical experience, and the professors here are doing a great job teaching me in those experiences. It's the 20 of us working together, and we're all working towards the same goal as becoming professionals. So if I ever have questions or if I am struggling, I know that there's 19 other people here that will help me gladly. So that's my favorite part, is that I have 19 other friends here.